All right, Corey's gone, unfortunately. Last 2 days have not been kind to him, but mine's just getting ramped up. I haven't done this in about 5 years. About to glue some lug nuts, get ready for this O'Reilly Series race. I keep calling it the Busch Grand National Xfinities, but it's the O'Reilly Series. We have the 88. I'm gonna try to win the Daytona 500 tomorrow with the 40, so let's go. Right now, we're prepping these wheels for a little bit of racing, a little bit of fun, a little bit of action. Gotta go through and take all the paint off and make sure we got everything dialed in. Go through, clean them with this. It's the American dream. I'm moving my nuts. Don't get weird.
Gotta keep moving, if not.
Yeah, well, with 5s on, I feel like if you stop, you just get behind. I think I got it a little bit. They got these meta glasses. These are meta glasses. They're recording you. Say something cool, dude.
It's on what's called today? O'Reilly Series what?
We're gonna be called the winners. That's all I know.
Winners.
To go. Started wrecking. I feel like you have a chance. But as we found out with Corey, the racetrack decides who wins this race. Now's when the anxiety starts. I'll pull it and then we'll go back. You're going to work on the left and I'll go back and learn about it. Alright, we got a little bit of everything tonight. Debut back to 5 lug nuts, first time I've done that in 5 years. And first race with Junior Motorsports and the HendrickCars.com 88. It was really fun. A lot of work. We were in good position there, but got wrecked a couple times. But the good news is we worked as a team. We were able to fix it, come home with a top 10. I'm looking forward to having a great year with these guys. So that's the first one. We got the 500 tomorrow. We're going to go home, get a good night's rest, and be right back here in the garage at 6 a.m. So catch you then.